Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. It's a pleasure to connect with you on this platform. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up to support my channel. Welcome to Only Tech Mind, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its endless possibilities together. Your support means a lot, and I'm excited to have you on this journey with me. Now, let's start with dimensions in SolidWorks. Dimensions in SolidWorks are measurements applied to sketches and features within your design. They define the size and position of geometry, helping you create accurate and precise models. Here's how they work. Sketch dimensions. When creating sketches, 2D profiles, you can add dimensions to control the size and proportions of the sketch elements. These dimensions can be linear, for lengths, angular, for angles, and more. Feature dimensions. After creating features like extrudes, cuts, and fillets, you can add dimensions to control their sizes and relationships. For example, you can specify the height of an extrusion or the radius of a fillet. Driving and driven dimensions. Dimensions can be either driving or driven. Driving dimensions directly control the size of geometry, while driven dimensions are automatically adjusted based on the driving dimensions. Parametric control. Dimensions play a crucial role in maintaining parametric relationships. If you change a dimension, related features adjust accordingly, preserving design intent. Now, I am going to show how can we use smart dimensions in SolidWorks by drawing different sketches. Now, I hope you got the basic idea about dimensions. Now, we are going to start explaining trim command and how we can use it. Trim command in SolidWorks. The trim command in SolidWorks is used to remove unwanted portions of sketch geometry that intersect with other elements. Here's how it works. Sketch trimming. When working in a sketch, you might have overlapping or intersecting lines. The trim command lets you select the portions of lines or curves that you want to remove. Creating clean geometry. The trim command is essential for ensuring clean and accurate sketches. It helps you create precise shapes without extra, unwanted lines. Extend and Power Trim. In addition to standard trimming, SOLIDWORKS offers tools like Extend and Power Trim. Extend allows you to extend lines to meet other lines or curves, while Power Trim offers more control over complex trimming scenarios. Trimming features. You can also use trimming operations on certain features, like trimming the profile used for an extrude. This helps define the specific geometry you want to include in your features. Now, I am going to show you how you can use this in different ways. Thank you for being a part of the Only Tech Mind community. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the ever-evolving tech landscape. Don't hesitate to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next video.